What is up, guys? We are back with elephant toothpaste part 2.
Classic.
And we're not going to leave you waiting. We already have it ready. We have, this is dish soap and vinegar. If you guys want to make this at home, if it looks cool to you. Got a bunch of baking soda.
It's not really elephant toothpaste,
funnel.
but it's kind of like a, it's kind of
so Aiden, get ready to pour the bowl.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
3,
countdown. 3,
pour it all in.
2,
1.
1.
Pour it all in.
Go, 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 go. Oh, it's clumpy.
No, that's good. Look at that.
It actually smells like vinegar. It doesn't even smell like vinegar. That looks kind of sick. I'm not gonna lie.
Look at that.
Look.
So Aiden, don't touch it. No, leave it.
Watch.
Leave it. Let it erupt, Aiden.
Watch.
Look at that.
Let's make some snow out of it. Oh, shoot.
So this is definitely a fun and easy experiment.
Especially if you're in Canada, where it's snowy. You can make elephant toothpaste snowballs.
Like always, we pour out our invention after and see what happens.
If you guys are one of the first,
it feels exactly like slime.
if you guys have been here since we've started, of course you guys remember the Hall of Fame, the Street of Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
The Magic Hall of Fame.
Oh,
should I step in it like we do to every one of our experience?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
So if you are new here, make sure to like and to subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, so the recipe. Stop. Look at his pants.
Are my shoes?
Okay, ew. Okay, so mix a bunch of dish soap and a bunch of vinegar in a bottle with a narrow top, and then afterwards you want to funnel in as much baking soda at one time as possible, and then basically just kind of it'll erupt and keep erupting. Remember our never-ending vinegar and baking soda that we added all the secret ingredients in?
That was me and Jake's invention.
No.
Yeah?
We made it in the little pill bottle. I helped. I did most of that with the baking soda.
No, but me and Aiden made it like we made the one that would never stop.
Okay, well,
sure. We're gonna do
either way. That's gonna wrap up today's video.
Hold on. Point it right there.
So,
point it right there. Keep it right there. Move it. See you in the next one.